Good morning, students. In a previous class we have learned about the direct variation and exercise problems. I hope you all understood that previous concept. Today we are going to learn about the inverse variation. So inverse variation is opposite of the direct variation. Okay, the inverse variation, when a given quantity is changed in same ratio, the other quantity is changed in the inverse ratio. Then direct variation, when the given quantity is changed in the same ratio, the other quantity also change in the same ratio. So one quantity is increasing, another quantity also increasing. One quantity is decreasing or increasing. Here the same process, increased, decreased. Okay, so it is called the direct variation. But here one is increased, the one quantity is increased, the another quantity is decreasing, is called the inverse variation or indirect variation. Okay, change the inverse ratio, change in the inverse ratio. Okay, so it is if two quantities vary inversely, the product is a constant. The product is a constant. So xy is equal to k constant. This also we have learned in the 7th standard. Okay, so now do the related examples. Okay, so inverse variation means the product of the both quantities remains the same. Okay, example 8. If A and B vary inversely, then find the value of missing numbers in the following table. Missing numbers in the following table. So here one table is given. A, B, 16, 4, 32, B1, 8, B2, A1, 0.5. 0.5. You have find out the unknown values. Okay. So what is the definition of the inverse variation? Inverse variation, when given quantity is changed in the same ratio, the other quantity is also changed in the inverse ratio. Okay. What is the formula? X into y. The product of the quantity is equal to constant. Okay. Solution for this problem. Okay, consider these two values. So product is it here. See, A values are increased. This compare these two. Here increased. Okay, here decreased. Okay, here decreased. We will use as 16 product. So A into B. You have to multiply x into y values. Multiply x into y equal to these two. Product of this value is equal to product of this values. Okay. So x 16 into 32 equal to 4 into B1. So 16 8s are 8 6 are 48, 4 128. So B1 is equal to 128. And next compare these two values. 32 into 8 equal to, what is the way? B1 value? 128 into B2. It cancel in the two tables. 6 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. And next 16 2s are. So B2 value was 2. B2 value was 2. And compare the last from the table. 8 A1 is equal to B2 into 0.5 into 0.5. So A1 value we didn't know, B2 value was 2, is it? 2, 0.5. So multiply, what we get? 1. Here 8. So A1 is equal to 1 by 8. That's it. Okay, right. And next one of the example 9. Example 9. If 56 laborers can be some work in 42 days, how many men will do the same work in 14 days? So how many is laborers working? 56 laborers, okay, can do this some work in 42 days. How many men will do the same work in 14 days? So totally number of men is 56. Okay, write the table. Solution. Let X labor finish work in 14 days. Okay, so draw the table. Number of men, and then number of days, Okay, so number of men, 56 laborers. 56 laborers can do the some work in how many days? 42 days. Okay, and next one of the statement, how many men will do the same work in 14 days? So we have considered X, is it? Now write here number of men is decrease. These are the practical problems. ஆட்கள் வந்து குறைஞ்சிட்டாங்கன்னா நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேஸ் என்ன ஆகுமா? இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். சரியா? இப்போ பாருங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதில் பாருங்க நம்பர் ஆஃப் மென் 56 இருக்காங்க. அப்போ டேஸ் என்ன ஆயிருக்கு? 42 ஆயிருக்கு. இப்போ நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேஸ் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? குறைஞ்சிருச்சு. நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேஸ் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. கண்டிப்பாக என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க? நம்பர் ஆஃப் மென் இஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ்ட். ஓகே, number of men is increased. Here write number of days. Here number of days degrees. Number of days decreased. Then number of men increased. It is inverse variation or indirect. Okay, indirect variation. Okay, right. So what is the formula for inverse variation? The product of the quantity is equal to constant. So what is that value? xy, is it? That is xy is equal to k constant. Okay, right. Now multiply the products. Okay, 56 and number of days. 56 into 42 equal to x into 14. 14 fours are. Can you cancel in? Okay, we'll start from the 2 table. 7s are. Okay, cancel. 2, 21, 7, 8s are 56. Okay, here x only there. So 8 into 21, 8, 16. So 168. Thus 168 labors. Us will finish the given piece of work in 14 days. Okay, right. And example 10. It takes 3 gardeners to weed their garden in 90 minutes. If the job is to be done in only 50 minutes, how many more gardeners need to be put on the job? gardener இது பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஜாப்பில் அப்ளை பண்ணலாம், நான் எத்தனை பேர் வந்து தேவைப்படும் அப்படிங்கிறது கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? இட் டேக்ஸ் 3 gardeners to weed the garden in 90 minutes. If the job is done in only 50 minutes, how many gardeners need to be put on that job? அந்த ஜாப்புக்கு எத்தனை பேரை ஒன்று அமர்த்தலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகேவா? Solution. Let x be the let x gardener be needed to weed the garden in 15 minutes. So draw the table. Number of gardeners, time, minutes. Three gardeners. 3 gardeners எவ்வளோ மினிட்ஸ் முடிக்காங்கம்மா? 90 minutes. அப்படின்னா 15 minutesல முடிக்கிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ gardeners தேவை, எத்தனை பேரை வந்து அந்த ஜாப்பில் வந்து வைக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிறத கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஹியர் ஆல்சோ லிசன், த டைம் இஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ்டு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் 90 minutes. Okay, so time reduced. Is it time reduced? Time என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க? குறைச்சிட்டாங்க. 90 minutesங்கும் போது எவ்வளோ ஆச்சு? எவ்வளோ ஆச்சு? 1.5 hours ஆச்சு. ஓகேவா? 60 minutesங்கிறது 1 hour. ஸோ 30 minutesங்கிறது ஒரு half an hour. ஸோ 1.5 hours ஆச்சு. அது எவ்வளோவா ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க? 15 minutesஸாக ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அப்போது என்ன ஆகும்? மினிட்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப குறைஞ்சிச்சு. அப்போது கார்டனர்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய பேர் தேவைப்படும். அப்போது எத்தனை பேர் அப்படிங்கிறத கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ரைட், ஹியர் டைம் இஸ் decreased. Then number of gardeners increase. It is inverse variation. Okay, so that is x product of a quantity is equal to constant. So x into y, xy is equal to k constant. Right. So what we do now? The product. So 3 into 90 is equal to x into 15. 3 5s are 5, 1s are 5, remaining 4, 40, 18. So 18, x equal to 18. So how many gardeners needed? 18 gardeners are needed. Okay. So hence it takes 3 gardener to weed the garden. So already அங்க எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? 3 பேர் இருக்காங்க. Okay va? So as 3 gardeners already working. So subtracted from 18 minus 3. We need the 15. Okay. So as 3 gardeners are already working. So 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. 15 more gardeners needed to be put on the job. Okay, right. And next example 11. A school hostel with 40 students has enough provision to last 15 days. If 10 more children move into the hostel, how many days will provision last now? Okay. So a school hostel with 40 students has enough provision to last 15 days. If 10 more children move into the hostel, so appo hostel la 40 la enna irum 50 ah maaridum. Modha evlo children irundanga? More children, so we have to add with the students. Okay, into the hostel, how many days will the provision last now? appo motha class la evlo per irupanga? Okay ma, ethana days, how many days will the provision? Example 11. Draw the table. Okay, so number of children and number of days. So first 40 children irukanga, avangalukku evlo days? 15 days provision. And then more children, if 10 more children move into the hostel, so 40 already there plus 10, so 50. Okay, okay ma, right. You have find out the number of days. So number of children's, number of children increased then number of days also, no, days decreased. Okay, it is inverse variation. So xy equal to k constant. K constant. So 40 into 15 is equal to 50 into x. So how many days? 12 days. How many days? The provision will now last for 12 days. Hence, the provision will now last for 12 days. And now example 12. A water tank can be filled by 4 pipes. A water tank can be filled by 4 pipes in 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. How much time will it take 15 pipes to fill the water tank? A water tank has, a water tank can be filled by 4 pipes in 1 hour 30 minutes. How much time will it take 15 pipes to fill the water tank? 4 pipes vachirukkumbodhu 31 hour 30 minutes agudhu. Okay, and then how much time will take it for the 15 pipe? So number of pipes are increased, so time will reduced, right? Adha 3 pipe ade thani varumbodhu time romba nera agum. But number of pipes are increasing, 15, so the time will reduced. Okay, so it's a inverse variation. Let 10 pipes, 10 or 15 pipes. Fifteen pipes takes, 15 pipes takes x minutes. To fill the tank. Okay, so number of pipes. Okay, and next time in minutes. In minutes. So number of pipes, first one 4 pipes. 4 pipes, 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours means 1 hour. Here write in the minutes. So 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. Plus 30 minutes. 60 plus 30, 90 minutes. Okay, so convert and write it directly here. Okay, and then how much time will it take? For the how many pipes? 15 pipes. You have to find out the time. Okay, so 4 into 90 is equal to 15. Here write the statement, ma. Okay, here number of pipes are increased, then the time will be reduced or decreased. It is a direct inverse variation or indirect variation. Okay, so that is xy is equal to k constant. Write in this place. Okay, after write 15 into x. So it cancel in the 5 table, 3. Okay, 3 here. 1 5s are 5, remaining 4 8s are, okay, again 3 table, 3 6 are 18, okay, 4 6 are 24. So x equal to 24. So how many minutes? 24 minutes. How many minutes? 24 minutes. Thus 15 pipes will take 24 minutes to fill the water tank. Okay, right. Now see the example problems completed. Now see the exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. The first one, if x and y vary inversely with each other, then find the value of missing numbers in the given table. Okay, so you have complete the homework. And second one, 3 people can plaster a wall in 4 days. How long will it take for 8 people to do this same job? Okay, so 3 people can plaster a wall in 4 days. So 3 பேர் என்ன பண்றாங்கமா, ஒரு பிளாஸ்டர் வந்து வால்ல வந்து 4 நாள் பண்ணாங்கன்னா how long will take to 8 peoples? So number of peoples are increasing, the days reduced. Okay, so it's an inverse variation. So the second one is homework. Okay, and third one, a farmer has enough fodder to feed 28 animals for 5 days. Okay, this problem I will do. How long would the food last if there are 7 more animals? 7 more animals means ஏற்கனவே இருக்கிறதோட இன்னும் 7 animals என்ன செய்றாங்க, சேர்க்கறாங்க. ஓகேவா? A farmer has enough fodder to feed 28 animals for 5 days. 28 அனிமல்ஸ்க்கு வந்து 5 டேஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்கன்னா அதோட 7 அனிமல்ஸ் வந்து சேருது. அப்போ டோட்டலாக என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, 35 அனிமல்ஸ் இப்போ இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ நாள் ஆகும்? How long would the food last? You have to find out. Okay, right. See the third one. So first 2 is homework. Okay, third one, a farmer has enough fodder. So let x be the days for more animals. So more animals means see the table. Number of animals. Number of animals number of animals and then number of days. Number of days. So number of animals, first one is 28 animals. 28 animals, how many days? 5 days. Okay, now added the 7 more animals. So 28 plus 7, what we get? 35. Okay, so 35 animals, how many days we have need? Okay, so number of animals are increased. So number of animals are increased, so the number of days will be reduced. Okay, here number of animals are increased then number of days decreased or decreased. It is inverse variation. So xy is equal to k constant. Right. So write 28 into, so product of the animals in the day equal to 35 into x. So 4. So x equal to 4. So how many days needed? 4 days. Hence 4 days. Okay. Four days needed to feed 35 animals. To feed 35 animals. Okay. And next one. A train takes 10 hours. This also we have to in the example. Okay. So 4 also homework. 5 homework. Okay. So 1, 2, 4, 5 homework. Now do the 6th problem. 18 workers can do the piece of work in 180 days. If 2 more workers join in them, find the number of days in which the work can be completed. So number of days. We have to find out the number of days. 6th problem. Let x be the number of days. Okay, number of days. Draw the table. Workers, number of days. Okay, so workers, first one, 18 workers. 18 workers can do the piece of work in 180 days. 180 days. And if 2 more workers join in the, so 18 plus 2, 20. Okay, 2 more workers join with them. Okay, then find the number of days. We have considered x. Here I write the statement. What is that? Here number of workers increased. Then number of days decrease. It is inverse variation. It is inverse variation. So xy is equal to k constant. Okay, right. So 18 number of workers into number of days 180 okay equal to into x 9. So 18 9s are 9 8s are 72. 9 plus 7 16 162. So x equal to 162. Thus 162 days to complete days needed to complete the to the work. 162 days needed to complete the work. Right. And next one, 7th one. 420 laborers can complete a piece of construction work in 9 months. In how many days will 120 laborers complete the same task? Solution. So let x be the number of days. Draw the table. Labors. Okay. Laborers. Okay. Right. And then days. Number of days. So first 420 laborers can complete the piece of construction work in 9 months. So months is given. Okay. So month is given. So we have to change here asking in the days. So we will change to month in days. Okay. 9 months. So how many days? 9 months means. Okay, you will change finally. Okay, right. And next one 120 into x. So 420. Okay. So laborers 420 into 9 months. So 9 into 30. Change to the months. Change to the days. Equal to 120 into x. So x. It cancel 12. 2 1. 6 are. Okay. Right. Now 21 into 27. 6. Here 6x is there. Okay. Can you cancel in 3 table? Is it? 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are. So 90. And then it cancel 2 table 45. So x 21 into 45. So 45 into 21. So 45. 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So 945 days. So 945 days. Thus 945 days will complete the same task. Complete the same task. And eighth one, a factory needs 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. In how many days will 49 machines produce the same number of articles? Produce the same number of articles. Let x be the number of days, okay, and draw the table. Machines, number of machines, and then articles. Days, 63 days. So number of days. So number of articles is 442. 42 machines complete 63 days, and then 49 increased. Okay. Kandipa decreased. Number of days is reduced. Machine is increased, so number of days is reduced. Here, a number of machines increased, then number of days decreased. Number of days decreased. It is indirect variation. That is, xy is equal to k constant. From this number of machines, 42 into number of days is 63 equal to 49 into x. 49 into x. Okay. You cancel in summand table. 7 7s are 49. Here 7 9s are 7 6 are 42. Now multiply. 9 6 are 54. So x equal to 54. Thus 54 days will 49 machine produced. 49 machine produced this same number of articles. Okay, and final one of the problem, a tank can be filled by 7 pipes in 36 minutes. How much time will 3 pipes take to fill the tank? So the easiest one, the final one problem, 9th one. A tank filled by 7 pipes in 36 minutes. How many times? So let x be the time. Time in hours or minutes. Minutes. Okay. A tank can be filled number of pipes. Number of pipes. Minutes. Time in minutes. Okay, so number of pipes, first one 7 pipes, 36 minutes. Okay, how much time will 3 pipes, so reduce the number of pipes, so the time will increase. Okay, right, then here write the statement. Okay, here the number of pipes is decreased. Then time is increased. It is inverse variation. Xy is equal to K constant. Okay, right. So number of pipe into time is it 7 into 36 is equal to 3 into x. So it's cancelled 1 2 12 sevens are 84. So x equal to 84. Hence 84 minutes needed. Hence 84 minutes will 3 pipes take to fill the tank. Right. Okay, I'll write the homework. One, two, 4, 5. Okay, everyone should complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask it to me. Thank you, students.